up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you've probably seen, the streetwear brands Stussy and Nike have been doing some collabs. They've made slides and clothing, and on December 11th, they released a Nike Air Force 1 low for a retail price of $130, and they made fossil and black colorways. I managed to cop the fossil colorway, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys today and share my opinions. Okay, so this is the box they come in. I noticed it's similar to my Air Max box because they both have like the giant swoosh that covers the whole front. But this one has an off-white and orange color scheme, and my Air Max box has a red and white color scheme. And this one has the Stussy or Stussy, I don't know how to pronounce it, branding right there, and the branding right there. So let's open it up. Wow. It's cool tissue paper, very unique. It's looks like palm trees to me. That's cool. Okay, first look at the shoes. Wow. These are so sweet. These are really nice. The first thing I noticed about the shoe is the like shiny metal emblem on the heel tab. It has the Stussy SS logo surrounded by metal pegs, and I think it's a small detail, but it really makes the shoe pop. It contrasts the neutral color palette of the rest of the shoe. And on the heel tab, there's the double stitching, which can also be seen on the swoosh. It's another thing that makes the shoe so unique. I've never seen another Air Force or another shoe in general that highlights the stitching and makes it a key part of the shoe. It gives the shoe like a rustic feel. To add to the rustic feel, the whole upper is constructed from hemp. Even the insole is made of hemp, which I think makes the collab even more unique because I've never seen Nike use this material before. I thought it was just a rip at first, but the Stussy SS can also be seen on the toe box. I like that it's also the tan color, so that it doesn't overpower the Stussy SS emblem on the back. The last key detail in the shoe is the Stussy worldwide logo on the tongue. It has Stussy and a bunch of different cities around the world, and the Nike logo too. The black colorway and the fossil colorway both look really good, and I feel like both would be really easy to wear. But my favorite is the fossil colorway, because in my opinion, the hemp looks best in tan, and the muted tones look really clean. Now I'm going to be comparing the Stussy shoes to 5 other Air Force collabs. The Supreme Air Force 1 released March 2020 in black and white colorways for $96. I think these are a really boring design because all they did was slap a box logo on the side. The red laces with the Supreme branding do add a little more excitement, but I think this collab could be better. The Stussy shoes did a good job of being exciting. The Comme des Garçons and Supreme Air Force 1 released May 2017 only in a white colorway and went for a steep retail price of $228. I would think that having an eyeball design on shoes would be weird and creepy, but they made it work by making it abstract. They did a good job on this collab, but the retail price isn't as realistic for people to cop as the price of the Stussy shoes are. The TGHdesigns Air Force 1 low was released September 2017. I was talking about shoes being unique, but I didn't mean this much. I think I can speak for all of us that no one wants a plastic dinosaur in their shoe, and the retail price for these was $335. I feel bad for anyone who got these because you can make your own for only $5. I'm glad Stussy decided not to add any dinosaur toys on their Air Forces. These Travis Scott Air Forces released August 2018 for $150. They're definitely one of my all-time favorite shoes. As a sneaker customizer, I love shoes that you can change in some way. On these, you can swap out the metallic swoosh for 4 other swoosh options. I also really like the lace locks and the tongue patches. It adds another element of customization. It would be cool if the Stussy Forces came with a double S patch on the laces.
This off-white Air Force 1 Low, released in November 2017 for $170. These Forces are part of the 10 collection from Virgil Abloh and Nike. I love the deconstructed look that off-white adds, reducing the Air Forces down to the bare minimum. The Stussy Forces experiment with different materials just like this shoe. I think the collab looks so nice, the only thing I would change is adding the classic zip tie that Off-White has become known for. So first we unbox the sneaker, and then we compared it to other Air Force collabs, and overall, I think the sneaker was really well done. If you like this sneaker and want to buy, right now is the perfect time to do so. Both colorways are at some of their lowest resale values. The black colorway is going for mid 100s, and the fossil colorway is going for low 300s. I know today's video was a little different than the normal customizing content, but I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe because I'm always releasing more videos. Now, let's finish off with some B-roll. See ya!